Do you think it's time to go to bed, Finn?
Is
No.
it time?
It's not time to go to bed?
What is it time to do?
Back and forth, back.
Do you want to watch TV? Do you want to read a book?
I want to read The Nation. I want to read The Nation.
We could make this a commercial for the Nation.
The Nation.
You want to
Well,
watch
there
the
you go.
fan?
You can watch the
Yeah.
fan. Yeah.
Wow.
There's the fan. You want to grab that fan, don't you? Ooh. Oh.
Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi. Hi. Oh, you want Grandma's hand? Where's the fan? Where'd it go? There it is, up there. There's the fan. Hi, fan. Hi, fan. Got hiccups?
A little bit of hiccup.
Boom. Where's Gab? Boom. 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 The van. That's the van. That's the van. Yep. Sure is.
You're good to know.
Give me five. Give me five. Give me five. Give me five. Hi. Yeah. Yeah. That's right, crawl. Let's crawl over. Come on. Come on, get on the floor and crawl. Yeah. Yeah.
Hi. What are you
That's
doing?
really
You're just looking at the fan, just casually glancing over your shoulder to make sure the fan's still there.
Yeah. You can do one of those famous flips off the couch now. You gonna go with that on your head?
Where are you going? Hi. Do you want to read some books before bed? Maybe Grandma wants to read you some books.
Grandma would love to read some books to you if you let me.
You want to sit with Grandma? You
Should
can
we
sit
try
here.
reading?
Sit in the rocking chair.
Let's find some books.
There's a few out here. There's no bus chair.
How about